Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're playing White Noise again. This time we're going to be playing with Butter Unicorn, Butter Turtle, and Mars Baru. Whatever. And he has 2 YouTube channels, which I will be putting in the link in the description. Here's what they are right now, if you can see them. If you can't, don't worry, like I said, I'll be putting them in the description. So, we are going to be playing on a random map on Nightmare. Last time I did the White Noise, we were playing on Hard. So, let's get started. And, right now. Another thing is, we're going to be in groups. I'm going to be with Velma, and the 2 other guys are going to be with themselves. Okay. Velma, where are you? Velma, behind you. Alright, yeah, let's go in the complete opposite directions. You guys might have to talk a little bit louder because YouTube might not be able to hear you now.
Hey guys, I'm here, Kucharski / MikonReborn. I'm just trying to go Marcel. I don't even know if he is now, so it's actually my and MikonReborn is the one which I could, like, I think the gameplay is just the soundtrack. If anyone knows Walking Dead or any kind of popular game which is like good soundtrack, you probably find them on there.
Disney Channel, Star Wars. You know. You haven't done Star Wars yet? That is unbelievable. Guys, don't subscribe. He hasn't done Star Wars yet. No, I'm just kidding. You can subscribe if you want. Okay, so, hopefully this will be a little bit more entertaining than my first video, because before it was just me that was talking, because everybody else ended up leaving. So, I am playing with one of the people I was playing with before, so, yeah, the first person that left on my first White Noise is one of the people that we're playing with right now. So,
my name is Marcel. My name is Marcel 003. And if you want to play Minecraft with me,
well, come on, man. Just stop talking about Facebook. Dude, stop it. we don't need that many shoutouts. Heads up, guys. By the way, stop. He's not that big. He only has like 1,000 subscribers. I only have 2. But so I will be doing a Hunger Games pretty soon. I'm hoping sometime this week. But yeah. Yeah, Minecraft Hunger Games, not like indie game Hunger Games or something. I know, I'm talking to my viewers here. Okay, so let's start. So Velma, how's life? Awkward. I hear a tape recorder. Oh, sorry. I took your baby. What? No. No, come back. You're gonna die. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on the statue. Oh my god, don't look behind you. No, just run. He's not interested.
Oh, now he's on the right side.
Oh my god. Oh, I found another tape recorder. No. We're doing great. We're doing great, guys. Oh my god. This game is going so much faster than my other one. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god. I can't even find... Whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god. This is a bad idea. I can't believe I'm playing this game again. And I'm putting it up on YouTube. Oh my god. Your heart is beat. My heart beat. Oh my god. I see people. Survivors! Hey guys, we found other survivors. I think we should all stay as a group.
Oh my god!
Follow me! Oh god, don't look behind you, man. His head twitches like a bug. Oh, are we about to win the game? Are we gonna win the game? People are dying. People are dying. Did someone die? Oh god. Oh god. I'm almost dead. If you ever get lost, hug a tree. In this case, just run. Don't hug a tree. Oh my god, it's green. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, don't look behind you! Run away, run away, run away to another place. Someone screamed. Don't. Did you see it? Oh god. Where's the baby? Did you see it when you died? Is this it? I'm gonna win, guys! I'm about to win! I'm gonna win! For the people! Winner! Winner! Woo! What's that noise? I heard something break. I heard something break and my flashlight's off. What's going on? Everything's turning red. What? I'm the monster. What the? An ancient eagle has awakened from its slumber. Well, guys, we just beat White Noise in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'm very, very creeped out right now from the ending. So... thanks, guys. But oh my god, let's just watch the replay, and then I'm ending this video. And this was the second White Noise. We beat it in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god, that was creepy. If you guys didn't know how White Noise ended, that's how. If you win and you're alive. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm still pretty freaked out about that ending. Okay, guys. Gotta stop talking. Well, guys, that was White Noise Online Special Ending Edition. So, hope you guys enjoyed. So, just for proof that we were playing on Nightmare on Random, that's what we were playing on. And I'm gonna show you the gamer tags one more time, and if you don't want to bother looking on it on the message, you can just look on the link in the description. There they are. Those are 2 YouTubers. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Bye.